This is the Aceh Sea area, located on the west coast of Sumatra, known to have the richest fisheries potential in Indonesia. A sea that holds an abundance of various types of fish. In addition, the Aceh Sea is also in the international shipping route and has an important role in attracting investors to come and do business. In the marine and fisheries sector, Aceh opens up to investment in the development of the Lampulo Ocean Fishing Port, Banda Aceh, expected to open up opportunities for future economic growth, supported by modern infrastructure and the latest processing technology. Investment in the fisheries and marine sector is the priority for the government of Aceh. With investment in the fisheries, Aceh reaffirms its position as a highly competitive fisheries and marine center in Indonesia. With a fishing area of 295,000 square kilometers and capture and aquaculture production of around 425,000 tons per year, making Ocean Fishing Port Lampulo as the center of Aceh fisheries, Aceh is determined to be a key player in supplying the world's marine protein needs. There are several types of dominant fish from catches, namely giant tuna fish, skipjack tuna, Decapterus russellii, yellowfin tuna, frigate tuna, bullet tuna, and chub mackerel. 5 fishery industries are operating at Ocean Fishing Port Lampulo. The 5 of them are in the fish canning business, ice factory, freezing, fish processing and preservation, shelter, up to shipyards 0 to 20 gross ton. One of the fishery industries that has successfully exported is PT Yakin Tuna Pacific. Proven their company has exported tens of tons of frozen tuna products, such as loin tuna and pocket tuna to Saudi Arabia, United States, Japan, to the European Union.
Aceh has rich and abundant high-quality natural fish resources. With strategic land to build and develop industries, we PT Yakin Pacific Tuna have succeeded in exporting fish products to Japan, US, and Saudi Arabia. Aceh is open for business opportunities. Come and invest in Aceh.
Meanwhile, Aceh already has 19 fish processing units that can be exported and has 76 hazard analysis and critical control points or HACCP as export requirements. Due to the status of special autonomy, Aceh has developed friendly regulations so that business and trade can develop well. Not only that, Aceh is also committed to its sustainable development that prioritizes environmental, social aspects, and good governance. In addition, the government of Aceh is also committed to building infrastructure such as fishing port, processing facilities, and distribution networks. This can also accelerate the management of fish catches and increase the added value of fishery products. The people of Aceh have a strong fisheries tradition, and most of the population depends on the fisheries sector as a source of livelihood. This is what can create great potential for the development of the tuna fishery industry in Aceh. Aceh open for investment. Visit and start your business in Aceh.